In this lesson, we'll add a bill of materials or BOM to the drawing and generate balloons. I'll adjust my views to free some space for the BOM. First, we need to make some preparations in the assembly document. Go to the Product BOM panel. If you can't find it here, enable it in the Settings menu. Unfold the Product BOM panel. We won't explore the BOM panel settings in this course. Let's use the pre-made BOM style, which you can find in the folder where all the parts are located. Click Select BOM style. Click Library. Go to our folder. Select this file. It's a library containing BOM styles, or to be precise, in our case, one style. Here you can see a style. Click Apply. Open the parts list. You'll see all the components there, but there aren't reference numbers. Click this button to create them. Turn off the Unfold button. Now we need to save the model to apply all the changes. Go to the drawing. Compo 3D asks you if you need to rebuild the drawing. Click Yes. Go to the Management toolbar set. Start the Create Report command. We explained how to adjust reports in the Crane Handle course. Open the Style drop-down list and select Other. In the Style Libraries tab, click Add. In the same folder with the assembly components, select the library which was pre-made for this course. Open. Check the library in the Style Libraries tab. Go to the Styles tab and check the only style that you can see there. OK. Click the green button. This is the BOM preview. Let's edit it a little. Click the gear icon, select the material column, and delete it. Click Apply. Click the green button again. Place the report into the drawing. Leave the report preview mode using the red cross or the mode icon. Stop the command. The BOM is ready. Let's add balloons. We'll generate them by using special functionality. Activate the front view. Most balloons will be placed in this view. Go to the Auto Balloons toolbar set. If you can see it in this list, click the arrow below it. Start the Auto Balloons command. In the list of accessible views, you can find all the drawing views. Click Select Current View to define a view for balloon placement. Confirm. All possible balloons have appeared for the components visible in this view. Activate the top view and repeat the command. Here, just one balloon has appeared for the screw that didn't get a balloon in the front view, and the screw is visible in the top view. Repeat for the left view. There are no elements for balloons in this view. And for the section view. The system has found the screw which is only visible in this view. Let's adjust the balloons. I'd like to place some balloons below the view and some above. Select them using marquees or the Control key. Select this command in the context panel. Place the reference lines and select the horizontal line. The selected balloons will be aligned horizontally. In the top view, I need to adjust the balloon too. If you go to the assembly now, you'll see that it has a linked drawing. All changes in the assembly will be automatically transferred to the drawing. Don't forget to save the document. This lesson is the last one in the Self-Centering Wise course. Thank you for your attention. We hope to see you in our upcoming lessons.